They'd been wanting to do something on this wall for a while. A lot of the kids, I knew them from teaching art here, and one of the kiddos said, "So you're a real artist?" And I just thought that was such a cool way for them to see that their teachers, they've got things to back up the things that they're teaching them. The message itself, "You are amazing," it's just like a message of belonging on those days that they're not feeling great, those days that they don't feel like they want to be here, wanting them to know that we want them here and they are amazing.
It's super cool because the black outlining, it just makes all the colors just stand up bright, and if people are like frustrated or anything, they can just look at the mural. It can just encourage them.
If they're having a bad day, it can make it be a good day.
And also to others, because I feel like I get happier when other people are happy too.
I really like the mural, and it can really, like when you're walking down the hallway, catch your eyes on it. I think that it can stand out to everybody and tell them that they actually are amazing, because everybody has something that they're really good at doing.
In my classroom, we do a lot of affirmations, so it meant a lot to see the "You are amazing." And maybe they come to school feeling sad one day, or feeling upset or mad or angry. Just seeing the brightness of the colors and the message on the wall helps them remember, I am amazing and I'm doing something amazing by just coming to school and seeing my friends. And so I think it helps them have a little bit more of a positive day.